Hey, what's up guys? Now today I'm going to be taking you through two flavours of Spain, Paella and Salsa. So let's start with the Paella. We have some diced chicken thighs that we're going to get seared in our cast iron pan. So this is a one pan recipe, so all that flavour is trapped in one space. So once the chicken thighs are seared, we're going to add some jumbo king prawns and just get these seared off on either side. And you can see this pan is starting to accumulate more flavours from that released chicken fat into those seared prawns. Now straight into this pan, some onions, and we're just going to cook these down until translucent. Next, a couple of cloves of crushed garlic and some sliced chorizo sausage. And when this cooks down, these beautiful oils start to release from that sausage and the aroma's just intoxicating. Next, some sweet paprika for some spice and some diced red pepper for some vegetables and some texture. Now I'm going to use some arborio risotto rice and some chicken stock. So allow this to cook out for 15 to 20 minutes and add more stock if necessary. Once al dente, we're going to add our chicken thighs and some green peas. Mix that through, add your prawns to the top, into the oven for about 20 minutes again. Remove, and our paella is ready to serve. We're just going to finish with some freshly chopped parsley, slices of fresh lemon, and me gusta la paella. Our paella is done. And why not stick around for a dance? La verdad no tiene igual. Thanks for the support guys, make sure to hit that like button, share the video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for that next video coming very soon. So if you'd like to learn salsa at home, check out the link in the description. Mi salsa está buena, no la hacen como yo. Vengo con Massimino, la máxima llevo. Cocinando salsa gorda, caliente mi fogón. No le temo a la bruja, yo soy el cimarrón. ¿Y quién
hagáis.